you're going, keep going. I'm just going to go ahead and start working through it. Find the volume of the solid by revolving the region in the first quadrant bounded by those curves around the x-axis. Okay? It's going to make a circle because I'm revolving it. So to find the volume, I want to integrate. Since I'm going around the x-axis, it's a dx problem. So I want to know, when do I start on the x-axis and when do I stop on the x-axis? So I start here at 0, and it looks like I go to 1 on the x-axis. So it's from 0 to 1. Okay, when I revolve something, it's going to make circles. If I went from the top curve all the way to the bottom, you would get this circle. And if you went to the inner curve, you would get that circle. Okay, poorly drawn, but notice that there is kind of a donut-esque shape being drawn there. That's what we got. So the big circle is going to be which equation? Y equals x is the big equation. So we're thinking big circle minus the little circle. Okay, so my big circle, pi r squared for both of them. Pi something squared. Pi something squared. Which equation gives me my big one? The y equals x. And what do I want it to be in terms of? Do I need it to be a y equals problem or an x equals problem? It's dx, so I need it to be y equals x in that one. The second one, it was the x cubed problem. Do I have to do any changing there? Nope, I'm good. It's just x cubed. Type that into my calculator. If you want to, you can factor the pi out. If you don't want to, don't. Let's not this time. We did the last time. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so pi x squared minus pi x to the what power? 6th. When I'm raising to a power, you're just going to go ahead and multiply those two numbers. So there's my setup. I'm going to type it in. You could type it in like that, or pi 0 to 1 x squared minus x to the 6th. Either way works. They both get you the same answer. Let's do it the first way. So math 9, from 0 to 1, pi x squared minus pi x to the 6th dx. Final answer, 0.598. Questions on that one? How we doing?